So this is a project I did some 10 or 11 years ago at university. It was actually a part of my bachelor's thesis because at that time I was very much interested in visual recognition and machine vision. So I wanted to know how such a thing can be actually done. What are the algorithms, how to do it, what are the methods of image recognition and image analysis. So this is why I decided to do this for my bachelor's thesis. So as you can see, this is a basic application. It's an application that can recognize some hand gestures. It can recognize 5 hand gestures. You can see them right here. So I just named them thumb up and a spread hand and a phone, a devil sign and a gun sign. And as you can see, the application is reading the outline of the hand and then using the so-called hue moments, the 7 hue moments, it tries to identify such a gesture. And as you can see, it's working pretty well. And yeah, the application is actually written using the OpenCV library. So it means Open Computer Vision Library. This is a special library made by Intel and it's for C++. And so this whole program is also written in C++. And it uses the 7 hue moments. It uses also some algorithms for background subtraction. And as you can see, I simplified it a little bit. I put here this little rectangle where the user is supposed to put his or her hand. So that the algorithm doesn't need to bother with finding the actual hand because it knows that the hand will be somewhere within this rectangle. So this was a simplification on my part. But as you can see, it's working pretty well. I learned the library, the OpenCV library. I actually read some papers and also I read this book called Learning OpenCV, which is really great to understand all of these image recognition algorithms. And most importantly, the university liked my thesis really very much, so they even gave me an award for this. I got some little money for my thesis. So I was actually happy to do this project to understand what this image recognition, what this machine vision is actually all about. And yeah, so this is the project and you can see it right here in this video and the source code. I think I'll be uploading the source code to GitHub so you can download it there.